A very good morning. I am Lala Sidana and you're watching BBS Live News. It's 8 a.m. 12 October 2020. We all are aware about the current situation. The pandemic has turned the world upside down. The declining economies has adversely affected the whole world. Around 106,000 people have died in India due to coronavirus. This situation is worsening day by day. There are still some people who are supporting us even in these tough times. These are the doctors, the policemen and the healthcare workers. They are exposing themselves to risks so that we can be safe. The online activities are growing in number and people have started earning through these activities. I request all of you to stay at home and take all the necessary precautions to prevent yourself from coronavirus. Now, let's begin with the news. The National News by Vidisha Raheja.
The Vande Bharat train from Delhi to Katra, home to Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine, will resume its services from October 15, Union Minister Jitendra Singh said on Sunday. In a move likely to transform rural India and empower millions of Indians, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched via video conferencing the physical distribution of property cards under the Swamitva scheme. The Indian Army on 9th October thwarted an attempt by Pakistan Army-supported terrorists to smuggle weapons from the Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. CBSE and CISE, the two national boards, have been considering reduction of syllabus for Class 10 and 12 Board Examination 2021 further. As the schools remain closed, the boards have been repeatedly considering the reduction of syllabus to 50%. or extending the academic year and delaying the board examinations by 45 to 60 days.
Further to the international news by Ruchika Kapoor.
Good morning. I am Ruchika Kapoor and I will be sharing today's international news. Russia registers new single-day record of 13,834 COVID-19 positive cases. North Korea displays huge new ballistic missile at the COVID-defined parade. New Zealand Prime Minister votes a week before polls close. Pakistan opposition parties come openly against powerful military. Indonesia's capital to ease out coronavirus curbs from Monday. Brazil virus death toll passes 150,000 people. UK plans new 3-tier system of COVID-19 lockdown measures. USA President Donald Trump to resume campaigning as he exclaims, feeling great post-testing positive for COVID-19. COVID-19 cases in Argentina crossed 9 lakh with over 24,000 deaths. Tajikistan President Rahmon re-elected for the 5th term with over 90% votes. Bangladesh government approves death penalty for rape after protests. Thank you and have a marvelous day and stay safe.
Good morning everyone. Now the miscellaneous news. Scientists have discovered 24 planets that have conditions more suitable to support life than the Earth. These 24 super-habitable planets can support complex life forms better than the Earth and have stars that are better than the Sun. Amazon has sent a legal notice to Future Group, India's second largest retail chain, for breaching the terms of its contract by selling a significant portion of the business to Ambani's Reliance Retail. Hindustan Times is launching India's biggest coding Olympiad. Hindustan Times Codeathon on Thursday offers students a platform to learn coding and boost algorithmic thinking, mathematical and computing skills, and analytical thinking to prepare them for career of tomorrow in science and technology. The world's first iodine-based sanitizers, which are said to be more effective and long-lasting than the alcohol-based cleansers, will be launched in India over the next 2 weeks. Delhi government allows restaurants to operate round the clock. New Delhi on October 7, in a major relief to city restaurants during the COVID-19 pandemic on Wednesday, said that these establishments will be allowed to operate round the clock and the requirement of tourism licenses will be removed.
Take a look at the sports news by Crystal Reja.
Carlton Chapman, the former Football Indian captain, passes away today at the age of 49. After the stressful lockdown for 6 months, the most awaited India Premier League has started. It is happening in UAE and Mumbai Indians is leading the points table. Women's IPL is going to start from November 3, according to BCCI. It would be also held in UAE. Mithali Raj is looking forward to train Taapsee Pannu for her biopic. It would be released in the end of this year. Rafael Nadal of Spain beat Novak Djokovic and wins the French Open.
Today's weather report. The maximum temperature will be 34 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature will be 26 degrees Celsius. There are only 0.4% chances of precipitation. Now, let us begin with our morning conversation.
Many incidents that are happening around us, which are publicized by the media and are in the knowledge of the common people and have created awareness among them, just like the Hathras case.
Yes, that's absolutely true. But there are cases and incidents which are not showcased by the media properly. Just like the Farmers' Amendment Bill, which was passed a month ago and stated 3 farm reform bills. These 3 farm reform bills had their main objective to transform the agriculture sector. But however, farmers in Punjab and Haryana have been protesting for these bills.
Yes, that's a matter of concern. I've heard about that. The 3 bills were the Farmers' Price Assurance Agreement Bill, the Service Bill and the Essential Commodities Bill, which have been recently passed by the Parliament in the recently concluded monthly session.
And while the farmers have been protesting against these bills, without a uniform leadership or a uniform demand, it emerges that their main concern is mostly regarding the provisions of the first bill. Their concern mainly includes trade, traders and dispute resolution based on market fee concerns.
Union Minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal, an MP of the Shiromani Akali Dal (SAD), one of the oldest BJP allies, has recently resigned from the Narendra Modi cabinet in protesting against these bills. 31 different farmer organizations having different ideologies are collectively fighting against these bills.
The pros for this step taken by the government is that it would transform the agriculture sector and raise the farmers' income. As said by the centre, it could also provide benefits to the small and marginal farmers with less than 5 hectares of land. These changes are likely to take place by 2022.
On the other side, farmers have been apprehensive because there have been minimum support price for their produce. But these bills has removed cereals and pulses and many more items from the list of essential commodities and the attraction of FDI.
Incidents like these, which are not yet echoed to the common people by the media, can cause huge controversies with media. This is not only one. There are many unnamed incidents besides this.
Now it's time for the morning debate, which will be taken up by our another news anchor.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to the morning debate. My name is Bhavik Saluja and I am the debate anchor. So before starting the debate, here's a small clipping. So please, viewers, watch this video. And I also like my delegates to watch this video and then we'll start the debate.
निकले जो तुम आज घर से फरमाइशों की फेहरिस्त साथ लेके, बटुए में बंद करके वो नोट 1000, तुम निकले भरी दोपहरी खरीदने बाजार।
माँ दिए?
हाँ जी ले ले।
इस चकाचौंध इस धक्का मुक्की में शायद तुम लेना भूल गए, ये कच्ची मिट्टी के पक्के दिए तुम साथ ले जाना भूल गए।
अम्मा दिए देना।
भूल गए बचपन में कैसे इनसे घर रोशन करते थे।
स्माइल।
तुम जिद करके बार बार 2 दिए ज्यादा लिया करते थे।
हैप्पी दिवाली।
अरे लल्ला, जब तक ये सब बिक ना जाए काहे की हैप्पी दिवाली। अरे तू रहने दे लल्ला, अब तू मेरी छोड़, खुश रह खुश रह। ये ले ये दो रख ले।
थैंक यू अम्मा। और आप फिक्र मत कीजिए, सारे दिए बिक जाएंगे। बाय।
इसी आस की मिट्टी लेकर मैं आशा के दिए बनाती हूँ, और हर दिवाली जर्रा जर्रा मैं इसी बाजार बिखर जाती हूँ। अरसे बाद वो आज फिर यहाँ आया है, सालों बाद उसने इन दियों को गले लगाया है। बुझ गई थी उम्मीद की जो आखिरी मशाल, इस दिवाली किसी ने उस अंधेरे में एक हल्का सा दिया जलाया।
अम्मा दिए?
अरे अब एक भी दिए ना बचे लल्ला।
कहा था ना अम्मा, सारे दिए बिक जाएंगे।
इस दिवाली आप भी उम्मीद का एक दिया जलाएं, किसी और की दिवाली को भी रोशन बनाएं। हैप्पी दिवाली।
Good morning to one and all present. My name is Bhavik Saluja and I am the debate anchor. Here we'll be having a debate on the topic, is our tradition and culture vanishing? As we know, Diwali is just some days ahead. And we know that one of the biggest problems our artisans face is competition from international markets. And today we will be having a debate on the same. Today we have guests from different parts of the country, and we have one more special guest who is working in the Economic Forum. So we have Mr. Pandey from Delhi, Ms. Anandini Kapoor from UP, and Mr. Pahwa from Rajasthan, a place known for its textile industry. So, handing over the stage to Yash, a person who has an important role in preserving the economy. What are your views, Yash, on this particular line? A person who has an important role in preserving the Indian economy.
Yes. See, somewhere we all know that we are losing our rich culture and tradition which persisted for a long time. चाहे वो बुद्धिज्म हो हिमालयन रीजन से या फिर other traditions of their tribe and their heritage and their language.
Yashji, I have a point here.
Yes.
I guess it is due to the rising globalization, international trade and emergence of MNCs, that is the multinational corporations. That's why we are losing our culture and changing towards Western. And it is reflected in our day-to-day habits, whether our changed thinking or our clothing or our language. Like basically the current generation, the so-called Generation Z, and it is thought of as a very developed generation, and it is losing its own culture. What about that?
Very rightly said. Yes, very rightly said. They are hesitant to speak in even in their own regional, even in their old regional languages and celebrate their regional festivals. जैसा कि हम सबको पता है that there are not many people from the Gen Z who prefer to listen to the Indian classical musicians such as Amjad Ali Khan, Pandit Ravi Shankar, and the legendary Kishore Kumar and Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Saab. Rather, they prefer to be very cool and listen to the rappers from the Western world.
Yes, yes. There is point made here. Point made by Anandani and Bhuvan. See, these things are very right. Yet, our country needs a stand of development. हम एक future superpower हैं. We are a nation which requires modernization, comfortable communication with higher superpowers. हम केवल ऐसे नहीं रह सकते. It ought to stand high in globalization. Without communication with the developed Western world, this cannot be achieved.
Okay, yes, that is yet.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Yash, and that is true. Yet, what will you say about the coming festival of Diwali, where hundreds and thousands of minor artisans face poverty due to
Yes,
lack
of
of
course.
interest in Indian made? What will you say about that at this time when economy of the country is suffering low GDP due to pandemic? What are your views
Yes,
on
yes,
this, Yash?
yes. The GDP has gone down to 24% due to the lockdown. There is no any production in any of the sectors we have. It is very sad for our country, and it is very disadvantageous too. हमें 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 पता है कि ये बहुत हमारी पहले से इकोनॉमी उतनी नहीं है और ऊपर से जीडीपी का गिर जाना ये एक ज्यादा ऐड करता है हमारे डिसएडवांटेज को. Yet we cannot risk our international profits to support a
Yes,
minor
yes, I have to
population of
disagree on
artisans.
that. I
As
have to disagree on
see, see,
that.
see,
We
I
can't we
want
can't
to please,
sacrifice
please, I
our
want to
own
complete this point.
Just let
I just want to
just let Yash
complete this
complete.
point.
Just let Yash complete. Then
Yes, yes,
Bhuvan, you can take over.
Okay.
yes. As all classes of economy needs to stand gains and losses in order to fasten our country's economy. Every class of economy, चाहे वो आपके बड़े बिल्डर्स हो, चाहे वो बड़े इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से रिलेटेड हो, सबको लॉस और गेन्स लेने पड़ेंगे ताकि इकोनॉमी ऑफ द कंट्री थ्राइव्स.
Increase.
इसके लिए
rather
yes,
than rather than the international trade, I strongly believe in the trade in our own country. I have to disagree on the statement said by Yash that our diya makers, who even include their families for the handicraft and their local diya making activities, have to face hard competition from the electronic lights that are growing in the dominance, the
of
plight
course,
of these
yes,
diya makers, and they are unnoticed. Though they always never go unnoticed, the common citizens have taken initiatives to promote their art and give importance to their efforts. Like
जी
last time
बिल्कुल.
in the festive season, there
Yeah,
were
yeah.
hashtags such as artisans and
Artist.
porters ki Diwali were viral on
Yes,
social
yes,
media. It was a humble initiative to
Creative.
their workers. Such
yes,
initiatives by
जी
citizens
yes,
are
बिल्कुल
appreciated
बिल्कुल.
to rescue
Yes,
lives of the
yes,
hardworking
yes.
artisans.
Yes, I agree with Bhuvan, as we know that the country first needs to stand with its own legs to develop fully. To rescue those workers, the common citizen need to work hard to achieve it. Because
बिल्कुल
it
बिल्कुल.
goes a lot of hard work. उनकी उस वो एक
Yes.
दिया बनाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत लगती है, वो भी
जी
हाथ
बिल्कुल
से
बिल्कुल.
बनवाते
I बिल्कुल बिल्कुल I agree. See, I don't want कि uh, India India's economy only grows on uh, international stands. See, I agree that internal development is the basis for international development. It is really the basis for international development. Uh,
हैं. We completely
newly
agree with
launched
that.
campaigns. See, newly launched campaigns like Make in India और अभी जो हमारे मोदी साहब ने कहा
Atmanirbhar Bharat.
आत्मनिर्भर भारत है ना. These are fruitful. These can bring fruitful changes in the Indian economy. Or at the same time, our international infrastructure, our other sectors of international economy, they also need to upgrade for higher Sensex rating, and also they need to upgrade to a level of advantageous Nifty points. हमारे relation with the outside world हमारी चाबी है towards unlocking developed gears and helpful alternatives. We cannot disagree on that. I think we cannot disagree on that. So yeah, we cannot.
Basically, according to me, international markets are subject to average income of the nation. The same income which is earned by the people of the country thus doesn't make sense that developing the people ultimately develops the country at economic forums also.
Yes, bilkul. It makes sense. Bilkul, it makes sense. The average income is one of the subject that the World Bank keeps for marking the nations, but it also marks the nations
on how developed they are economically.
On its ease to trade.
So basically, we have to take both simultaneously.
Listen. They also first see how easy it is to trade in a country, and that can only be achieved by economic relations. हमारे पास
but first we need to make our base strong.
First, what my point is. What my
internal people do not suffer even after
what my point is, we have to take both the incomes and both the development simultaneously. We have to take like hard work of artisans with with corresponding change in international markets as well.
Yes,
because
of course.
Otherwise it would like mere availability of artisans with mere availability of international market hinder the development.
Yeah, bilkul.
We should also promote. That point should also be taken. We should also promote the small scale industrials, the small scale diya makers, and to promote and to boycott other products, other Chinese products and other
Bhavik, I want to quote something. There is one line that I read in my economic years when I was preparing for my economic MBAs.
Yes.
Internal infrastructure will lead to advantage in international infrastructure. Internal trade will lead to advantage in outside trade. We should never forget our internal trade. हम नहीं भूल सकते अपने अंदर के अर्थव्यवस्था को हम नहीं भूल सकते. It is what makes the country more developed from inside. बाहर से तो कितने भी वो हैं जैसे चाइना है. China is a very developed country, but अंदर से देखो, it is a one communist party that rules it. There is development only by force.
हम cheap products की तरफ attract होते हैं. हम cheap products की तरफ attract करते हैं और
till that time it is not fully democratic. It cannot be called a developed nation.
I want to quote this thing that Make in India is a line step. This initiative on one hand will increase manufacturing growth and at the same time will directly benefit the youth of the nation in form of employment.
Of course, बिल्कुल बहुत सही कहा आपने. बिल्कुल.
Okay, so everybody has given their opinion on the particular topic. So now I want a concluding statement on this debate, on this particular conversation we are having right now. So Bhuvan Pava, what will you think, or can you say about the concluding statement of this particular topic? What do you prefer? What are your thoughts about the small scale artisans that are suffering, and people are people are purchasing goods and from the bigger industries? So that makes the small scale industry suffer a lot. So what are your thoughts?
Yes. My concluding statement would be, keeping in mind the Western changes, we should also take care that just for the sake of being cool, we should not forget our own rich heritage, culture, and tradition. With this, at end, I would like to say that this Diwali, let us bring a smile on the face of the hard-working diya workers and the artisans of our own country, just for the sake of new, modern, attractive, and cheap products from the neighboring countries, such as the lights and the decorative materials. We should take care of our own Indian economy, ताकि हमारे भाई बहन, हमारे देश के, हमारे नेशन के भाई बहन भी खाना खा सके दिवाली, and can also
absolutely true.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Celebrate
Now,
Diwali.
moving
Thank you.
towards Anandini, I want your concluding statement towards this particular topic.
So my concluding statement is that the nation should develop internally too, and also with international development, as I said earlier. The country should preserve its historical and original traditional aspects to develop into a better country, and India does not need to emulate any other country. India must become only India. This is a country that once was called a golden bird. So that is
true. That's true.
That is. Yeah.
And I completely agree with Bhuvan, as we usually need to bring a smile on the faces of the artisans as well, because festival is not only for us, it's there, like it is for them.
It's for everybody. It's for everybody.
Bilkul, absolutely.
True, Anand.
Absolutely.
True, Anand. Now, moving towards Yash, I want your concluding statement for this topic.
Yes, as per my views, I think that the nation should nurture with international markets as well as internal trade and commerce also. With such a bipolar progress, our country is sure to stand first in economies. First, हम अपना अंदर का भी प्रोग्रेस करें, हम बाहर से भी प्रोग्रेस करें. बहुत अच्छी कंट्री है, बहुत ऊपर जाएगी.
True, true, very true. So we conclude this debate over our fading traditions and cultures. I hope this debate surely helps the teenagers that are going to be the future of our country, and also helps the economic ministry in advancing the country further. As G.K. Chesterton quoted, tradition means giving votes to the most obscure of all classes, our ancestors. It is a democracy of the dead. Tradition refuses to submit to the small and arrogant oligarchy of those who merely happen to be walking about. So, wishing you all a very happy Navratri and a happy Dashera, meeting you all in our next debate. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.
The thought of the day is, don't get upset with the people or situations. Both are powerless without your reaction. I repeat, don't get upset with the people or situations. Both are powerless without your reaction. Thank you so much, and that's all for today.